Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class.
My dear students, today I am going to discuss Finance, Banking and Insurance, second part, Chapter 1, Primary Concept of Banking System. Today's topics is Ancestor of Modern Banking, Business and their role. Dear students, after this lecture, you will able to answer the following topics: role of merchants for modern banking business, role of moneylenders, and the role of goldsmith for modern banking business. Dear students, let's in details. Ancestors of modern banking business and their role. The origin of commercial banking can be traceable in the early times of human history. In the ancient Rome and Greece, the practice of storing precious metals and coins at safe places and loaning out money for public and private purposes on interest was prevalent. In England, banking had its origin with the London goldsmiths, who in the 17th century began to accept deposits from merchants and others for safekeeping of money and other valuables. As public enterprise, banking made its first appearance in Italy in 1157 when the Bank of Venice was founded. According to Crowther, modern banking has three ancestors. First, the merchants. Second, the goldsmith. And third, the moneylender. Dear students, now you will see the role of ancestors in the development modern banking moneylenders. Moneylenders have a great contribution on the development of modern banking. The factors influenced moneylenders to join with the banking business are as follows. First, as moneylenders were rich and everyone trusted them. Secondly, they had a power of influencing and convincing anyone. Third, they took the deposited money and provided loan to the poor people. by collection of money and providing loan. Moneylenders become engaged to the banking function. Moneylenders played a vital role in establishing the first commercial bank in the Indian subcontinent, named Hindustan Bank, in 1700 AD, situated in Kolkata. Now we will see the role of ancestors in the development, modern banking, merchants. As the merchants were engaged with money transactions, it may be said that they had great contribution on the development of bank. Adam Smith compared the merchant to financial company that time. The situations which were favor of the development of banking system for the merchants were as follows. First, merchants were rich people of the society. Second, for their own sake they were honest. Big amount of money were transacted daily by the merchants. Fourth, because of trust and safety, many people deposited their money to them. They dealt with people commercially by collecting deposits and providing loan. Due to their high reputations, they issued documents that were taken all over the world as title of money. These documents are well known as bank draft, pay order, traveler check, letter of credit. Due to cooperations of merchants, the first bank ever in the world was established in Italy, called Bank of Venice, in 1157. Now, the role of ancestors in development, modern banking, goldsmith. The role of goldsmith regarding the development of modern bank was very important. Due to their business nature and character, they were well-reputed persons at that time. People kept their valuable goods to them because they were socially treated as honest, truthful, and ethical. Second, they were financially rich. Third, they took necessary steps to store precious metals or golds. The functions of goldsmith were very important for the developments of banking system are as follows. First, safety deposited money and valuable goods of general people. Introduced deposit slip at the time of deposit money or goods. Provided loan to poor people. Some interest was provided to the depositor. Introduced withdrawal slip at the time of drawing the deposited matters. In the establishment of Bank of England in 1694, the role of goldsmith was significant. Dear students, I hope all are understood the role of ancestors for modern banking business. Thank you, everybody.